and welcome to day 6 of our Telekinesis challenge. We are trying to learn telekinesis in 7 days, in 1 week. This week is almost over. If you're new to this series, please go back and watch the first video first. Anyways, what are we doing today? Today's lesson is not just about telekinesis. It is about the other elements which are important for telekinesis. Of course, I'm talking about air, water, and fire. There's other kinesises to learn which can improve telekinesis, but it's also important for us to discover where our strengths are. Is it Aerokinesis, Hydrokinesis, or Pyrokinesis? Practicing other telekinesises, kinesises, helps us to learn telekinesis better. It's almost like instead of doing push-ups, doing bench press for a while, and your push-ups are going to improve automatically, if that makes sense. Or if you're learning how to speak French, but then you practice Spanish. Spanish and French are so similar that one is going to benefit the other. Same with kinesises. When you practice aerokinesis, your hydrokinesis is going to improve automatically. Same with pyrokinesis or telekinesis. The foundation is the same. What we learned so far in the past 5 days, that's the same for any of those elements. The difference is the connection. When we do our meditation for telekinesis, we try to connect with one object, but not when we do hydrokinesis or aerokinesis or pyrokinesis. There is no object. With aerokinesis, we try to connect to the air around us. We do that by connecting to the air inside of us. With hydrokinesis, we try to connect to the water in general, because there is no one water in two waters. There's just water. We do that by connecting to the water inside of our bodies first. Our bodies are to 70% water. That's how we connect to this water, to move it. Pyrokinesis. We don't connect to a flame or to a candle, no. We use the heat of our bodies to build the connection to an external flame, and then we can manipulate it or extinguish if we want. I hope that it makes sense. If it doesn't, just go back to the beginning of the video and watch it again. But now I'm going to demonstrate Aerokinesis, Hydrokinesis, and Pyrokinesis.